Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how can we make a job board within few minutes with Artha. For this we have to just click on start for free trial. Now we have to fill in up few details which are required. First we have to enter the first name, then we enter the last name, then the email ID, then we have to enter the phone number, then we have to enter the company's name. Then we have to create a password. Once all these informations are filled up, you just have to click on sign up. Once you enter the OTP over here, you will see that within few minutes your job board will be opened up with Artha. Now we will see how do we customize the appearance of the platform as well as what are the few steps which are on the onboarding process which will help us to run our platform smoothly. Here you just have to enter the logo. If you don't have a logo, the company's name's initial will be a logo and the favicon. We do have a logo for this company, so we will just add those. Once it is added, you just have to make sure that if you want to change the font or the theme color, we will change the font as well as the theme color. You can make any color by using this option. Once done, you just have to click on next, and then you will be redirected to the currency page. Now we have to select the primary currency. What we already have in default is United States dollars, so we will be keeping it the same. Once clicked on next, you just have to enter the industry you're working with. You just have to select that, and there will be a list of categories on the right hand side. If you want to add any other category, you just have to type it, and then you will be able to add that particular category as well. Once clicked on finished, you will see that just within a minute we were able to create our own job board. Now let's complete the onboarding process. There are 5 different points that will help us in onboarding as well as to run our platform smoothly. The first is backfilling of jobs. If you are a new job board owner and you don't have jobs as of now on the platform, you can use the backfiller option. Then you can connect your email as well. Then you can import the candidate and employers by the need. And then you can also configure your payment gateway. Now let's see how the front page will look because this is the admin panel. We will just see that how the home page looks. As you can see, this will be the home page. You can make a lot of changes in this. You can remove the images which are already given. You can add new posts as well. You can customize the whole page according to your need. This will be the admin panel and this will be the front panel. Thank you.